Now girl, if you ain't never melted a wig in your life, this might be the simplest video ever. Now this wig I'm using today is a 26-inch layered wig I got from TikTok. And we just gonna get into it. I am using 2 lace sprays today because they both are amazing in their own way. So grab your wig, put it on, and let's get started. Shoot, girl, my lace came pre-cut, so if yours is fully not cut, spray that shit down how I'm doing it right now and then cut your lace afterward. I don't like spraying directly on the lace because it drips down to my forehead and into my eyeball, and we don't want that. Spray that shit on your finger and tap it into the lace. Use the back of your rat tail comb or a comb and just use and dabble it on and hold it. And once you got that glue all tacky on your lace, I like to fan it out with whatever I got on hand so it dries quicker. There ain't nothing to it but to do it. This is just a repetitive motion that you're gonna do. Spray the lace on, have it be tacky, and fan that shit out, boo. Boogie, once you've done melting that shit down, grab you your lace melting band, or if you got a scarf, use that too. And this is going to ensure that the lace is not lifting and that it's actually melted down. I like to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 20 if I'm doing shit. And once the 20 minutes is over and that lace is melted and your lace is longer than what I have right now, cut that shit close to the hairline so it's not bulky when it's done and over with. You see right here, my lace is long as fuck. I had to cut some pieces off. But yeah, girl, once your lace is melted and it looks like scalp as it does in this video, then you good to go. But girl, this is the final result. I know I gotta get better at tutorials, but hey, this is one and done. This is what it looked like. Now, girl, if you want a tutorial again from an amateur like me, make sure you follow. Look at that lace. You know that looks good, okay?